So hello everybody, welcome back to another video of Little Scratchers. Today we are starting a new series, which is the series of an animation. So this animation is Among Us based and the story goes like this. So there is a crewmate and he dies, so the mini crewmate cries and there the story ends. But we are gonna make it in Scratch, so for that we need a lot of things to be done, like getting the costumes for the animation and doing some other stuff, adding more detail to it. So let's jump right into it without wasting any time. So now I'm gonna go ahead and create a new Scratch project. As you can see, it's getting created, and the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna delete the Scratch cat and we're gonna insert the animation. So I've seen a YouTube video in which this guy right here, this guy right here called Kynite, he has animation from this. So we have these and we got the sad reactions also. I'll put this video link in the description, so check that out. So as you can see, we're gonna take this bit where the crewmate dies and the mini crewmate cries. Whoa, that rhymes. Okay. So what are we gonna do is we're gonna take an MP4 file of this. So YouTube actually doesn't allow us to download our videos. As you can see, it has like only saving and not the download. So what are we gonna do is we're gonna go to a website called as YouTube Downloader. I'll put this link also in the description, so check that out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just copy this video link, Control C or right click and copy, and I'm gonna paste that right there. So let's paste it, and we're gonna click on download right here, and it's gonna process the link and it's gonna give you an option to download the video. So let me just go over and click on download, and it's gonna take some time. As you can see, now this is getting downloaded and it's done. So we got our MP4 file, but we can't upload the MP4 file in a Scratch project because Scratch doesn't support MP4 input. So we have to convert this MP4 file into an animated GIF file, that is an animated GIF file. And for that to happen, I have got another website known as Video to Animated GIF Converter by EasyGIF.com. So now I'm gonna upload the video right here, but what is gonna happen is that this video is very long. It's like 2 minutes long, and this GIF converter will only take the first 10 seconds and it's gonna convert only that. But we want the thing that is in the middle, that is the mini crewmate animation is in the middle. So to do that, we have to cut the front bit and the other bits, and we need only that bit where the mini crewmate cries. So to do that, we are going to take in an editor. So I've already downloaded Shortcut. If you want to download Shortcut, I'll put this link in the description also. So I've downloaded Shortcut and I'll just open that. You can use any editor you wanted to. So what am I going to do is I'm going to just say mini cry. Okay, mini crewmate cry, it's mini cry, and I'm gonna open the file. Oops. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, this is my project. So I'm gonna open a file and it's in my download. So I'll locate my file and get that file. There we go. So we got this file right here. I'm gonna just put this in my timeline. That is an option in Shortcut. So I've put it in my timeline, and all I'm gonna do is just locate the bit. The mini crewmate comes up. So our mini crewmate bit starts here. So I'm gonna just split it and then play it again until the mini crewmate bit stops. So it's about here. Okay, let's move it frame by frame. Okay, it's about here. So I'm gonna just split it again. So we want only this part which is selected. So I'm gonna delete the other parts, this one, and put this right here. So now, as you can see, if we go from the start, it's only about 10 seconds long. So if we start the project, see only that bit comes up and we got it. So what am I gonna do now is I'm gonna export this file as minicry.mp4. Look over here. It's mp4 still, but we're gonna convert it to GIF using the EasyGIF, and let's wait for our project to get completed. And so guys, if you don't have any of these software, that is, if you can't access a Shortcut or something like that, you have any issue in your computer, don't worry, I'll send that GIF and the whole project in the Scratch community, so I'll put that link in the description below. Anyways, now as you can see, our project is completed. Let me just save it and close it. Okay, now what are we gonna do? We're gonna go to this area again, the easygif.com, and I'm gonna choose the file. So our file is somewhere right here. Yeah, minicry. I'm gonna click on that and I'm gonna click on upload video. So it'll get uploaded, and after it gets uploaded, it'll take you to this screen, which shows you the MP4, and you're just gonna click on convert to GIF, which is down there. And now the video is gonna get converted, and there we go. Now we have our GIF. It has no sound. We'll add the sound later. So I'm gonna just save this GIF file for now as easygif.com -gif whatever. And now let's go to our Scratch project and upload it. So we have it right here. So let's click on that, and it's gonna take a while for it to import. So I'll just pause the video till it gets imported, and I'll come to you later. So guys, my animation is now uploaded. It is in the costume called EasyGIF. Since we have converted that video in EasyGIF, it's gonna put that as EasyGIF. And now if we go to our costumes, it's and come all the way down, it has about 102 costumes. So that's a lot. And it's not done manually, but it's done automatically by Scratch. So as I told you, Scratch converts every frame as a single costume. So Yeah. And now it's actually a bit very small. And also guys, I want to tell you this. If you have a lower RAM or memory, just be careful because your computer might glitch out and sometimes it goes haywire. So now let's change the size of this to 165 and let's give the backdrop a black color so that it looks like a cinema theme. This is not a cinema, but still this is not a cinema, it's just an animation. So let's just call our sprite animation. And let's just say when the green flag is clicked forever, you wait 0.035 and next costume. If you do that, look, it looks like the same thing as the video, just that it is imported to Scratch and a little bit of a code is given. So if you try playing this, it's just like it's doing it over and over again since I've put this in a forever loop. So let's not put that in a forever loop. Let's just say repeat 101 times. The reason I'm putting 101 is I have about 102 costumes, and according to my calculation, you should repeat the number of costumes you have subtracted by 1. Subtract it with 1 and that's your code right there. And also at the start you have to switch the costume to the first costume. Otherwise it doesn't make any sense if you put it in the middle. So yeah. And now it looks the same thing, just that it doesn't get repeated over and over and over again. So now there we go. We have our animation going on. We'll add a song to it, like the song is Goodbye to a World. We're gonna add that song pretty soon. And right now it's actually, we're gonna add more stuff, like at this point this little kid right here, he feels very sad. So we're gonna put a black and white theme. Like we're gonna change this whole costume to a black and white color, just that it just adds an effect that it is very sad or something. So I think at this point we'll just click on export. This is a very nice thing in Scratch. It allows you to export costumes, sounds and other stuff. So we have this right here, and now I've actually found another thing, which is this one right here. It is called imgonline.com.ua. So this converts color images to black and white images. Let me just show that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna choose my file, which is, I guess I've chosen 47. Yeah, I've chosen 47. So if I click on that, don't do anything with these. You just select the file and then click OK. And your image will be processed. Let's just open the processed image to see whether it looks nice. And there we go. It is a black and white themed costume. So we'll just download the processed image, and it's gonna download it, and we're gonna just upload it also. The sad thing, it's very sad. Now we're gonna make this black and white theme thing go to 0, 0, and its size, let's say 165 as usual. Yep, 165, and this thing has got such a big name. We will just get rid of them and then type something very simple like sad crew. And now that's it, guys. I think I'm gonna end this video here. So what we did in this video is we have added the animation bit and also the sad crewmate. Don't worry if you don't have any of the software which I showed today. I'll just upload the original project. I have just uploaded the original project in the Scratch community, so I'll share that link as well. Until then, see you, goodbye, and stay tuned for part 2. Also, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Lil Scratchers. I'll see you guys afterwards. Goodbye.